Did you know that being disorganized isn't something you're stuck with forever? In fact, anyone can transform into a master of organization with just a few clever tweaks. If you're ready to turn chaos into order, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any tips to streamline your life. Many people think that you are either naturally organized or you aren't. But guess what? That's a myth. Being disorganized isn't something you're born with. It's all about learning the right ways to manage your space and your time. Even if you struggle with attention issues, there's hope for you yet. Ready to get started? Here's how you can begin to bring order to your life, step by step. Step 1. Clear the clutter. Start by getting rid of things you don't use. Look around. If there's something you haven't touched in a whole year, it's probably not needed. So sell it, recycle it, donate it, or just throw it away. Clearing out the unnecessary stuff is your first step to a tidy environment. Step 2. Design your space with purpose. Think about how you use different areas in your home. You need to create zones based on activities. Set your bedroom up for calm and restful sleep, organize your kitchen for easy cooking, and arrange your living space for relaxation. Design each space with its purpose in mind to help streamline your activities. Step 3. Group similar items together. This one is simple but powerful. Keep all your forks with the forks and spoons with the spoons. The same goes for clothes, books, and even your hobby materials. Grouping like items together saves time and reduces confusion. Step 4. Invest in proper tools. Using the right tools can make a very big difference. Whether it's a comfy bed for better sleep or the right kind of storage for your clothes, investing in quality. Even if it's used or inexpensive, it can help keep you organized. Step 5. Write things down. Don't rely on your memory for everything. Start making lists of things you need to remember or tasks you need to complete. Writing things down can prevent you from feeling overwhelmed and will keep you on track. Step 6. Simplify your responsibilities. Look at your daily tasks and start eliminating, delegating, or automating whatever you can. If a task isn't necessary, or if someone else can do it, or even a machine, why not let it go? Step 7. Focus on one task at a time. Avoid multitasking. When you're making dinner, just focus on cooking. When you're working, just focus on work. This helps you stay organized and minimizes mistakes. Step 8. Give yourself time. Rushing leads to chaos. Make sure every important item like keys or your wallet has a specific spot in your home. This will save you time and stress when you're looking for them. Step 9. Make organization fit your life. Set up your spaces to cater to your habits. If you enjoy a hobby in the living room, make sure you have the right storage there to keep it organized. Use containers or baskets to help keep things tidy and in their place. Remember, no one is doomed to be disorganized. It's all about finding what works for you. If one method doesn't seem to fit, don't worry. Just try another. If you're really struggling, consider getting help from a professional organizer who can offer personalized advice and strategies tailored just for you. With these steps, you'll not only create a more organized space but also cultivate a more peaceful and productive life. Keep experimenting with what best suits your lifestyle, and remember, organization is a skill you can learn and improve over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our channel for more informational topics.